Hi everybody, just thought we would do one more coffee with Lisa, the owner of Peaches, and questions and answers. I hope you like this platform. Just thought I would get away from doing some tutorials for a couple times, but I will get right back to those if that's what you're looking for. So I've gotten some really great questions. I'm just going to go through them and hopefully keep these videos a little shorter. Okay, so the first question is, do I need moisturizer? But a second part of the question is, why is my face so dry? You absolutely need moisturizer, but it has to be a great, good, essential moisturizer. Not every moisturizer is wonderful. You've seen that in previous videos, retail versus professional. And if you don't put moisturizer on your face, your skin, the largest organ of the body, thinks something's wrong. Oh my gosh, I'm drying out. I'm not doing well. I'm sick. And it makes more oil. So it's actually going to do everything you don't want it to do by thinking that you shouldn't wear moisturizer. And I think most people don't wear moisturizer because they think their skin is oily. I don't believe in oily or combination skin. I believe everybody has normal skin, but it's what you do to it that causes all of those other situations or problems. Most especially, as you'll hear me say all the time, foundation or bad sunscreen or bad skincare. Why is your skin still dry? Because you have such a thick callus layer that you haven't been removing by removing old dead skin cells or washing properly, that your skin has almost a layer to it that all the wonderful elements can't absorb and can't get to the tissue. So what we do is we try to remove old tissue, bring up new tissue, so that your skin is healthier, more supple, and able to take in those nutrients. So hopefully that answers your question. Okay, the next question is, okay, this comes from Kelly. I had a facial and I'm afraid to do one again because I broke out so badly. Well, that's kind of a twofold question. You may have broken out badly because the esthetician didn't know what she was doing. She layered layer upon layer of oils and moisturizers on you, and yes, you left feeling supple and fresh, but then you just broke out because it wasn't a facial that really did anything. We call it a result-oriented facial, which is what I believe in. A result-oriented facial means we're going to clean you out. We're going to do all the elements that your skin, the largest organ of the body, needs. And with that, you should purge. You should remove that callus layer. All the things that have been in your skin for years or months should start to come out. The things that the skin has been trying to push out because it didn't like it. That's what a pimple is. It's the skin trying to push it out. If you've ever heard of a sliver being pushed out by the skin, that is exactly what the skin's job is, to filter the body, to purge things out. So a good facial should actually make you break out, but a wonderful master esthetician should teach you how to take care of it when you get home so you don't go through that stress of breaking out, like wearing milk and magnesia. Okay, so the next question is, I have eczema or rosacea, and I also get white patches on my arm. So I'm going to be really holistic here. I think that there's a time and place to go to the doctor for skin diseases and problems with the skin, but I also think many physicians overly diagnose those diseases. They don't ask if you're wearing foundation. They don't ask what you're washing with even. And I think a lot of things are just a fungus. I've seen it time and time again with clients where we teach them to wash properly, apply apple cider vinegar, Monistat 7, which is a yeast infection cream with mycosonol nitrate, some say myconazole nitrate, and it is an antifungal. And when you apply it to the skin, you'll start to see those funguses and those skin diseases go away. I feel they're fungus. And I've seen it time and time again where it's completely been alleviated on a person's skin. The white patches on your arm, you see them a lot on children or some adults. It'll be kind of a white dry patch, fungus. Just go ahead, keep it really clean, put some apple cider vinegar on, some Monistat, and really moisturize and hydrate your skin. Another great tip is cornstarch. Cornstarch is incredible for the skin, incredible for the face, and wonderful to prevent diaper rashes on babies. So you're not going to have those irritations or those problems that you think are rosacea or eczema or psoriasis. Okay, so let's see. We'll go ahead and do one more question just for time's sake. Can I exfoliate too much? I don't think you can exfoliate too much, but you have to use the right exfoliant. You don't want to scratch the skin, use really rough things on the skin. You want to use things that are natural to the tissue of the skin. Exfoliating with flawless exfoliator, for example, every day is absolutely wonderful. I even think you can do baking soda every day. And as you get to know your skin and your skin improves, you're going to know what your skin likes and what your skin doesn't. But skin wants to have all of those old skin cells removed. The skin changes and renews new tissue about every 28 days. So we want to help it to keep all of those old skin cells off of our skin, on our body by brushing, and on our face by exfoliating. I just don't believe everything you read that you shouldn't exfoliate every day. I just think it's what you do. For goodness sake, don't put acids and peels on your face every day. That is not a good thing for it. The gentler you are, the better your skin will be. So I think we'll just stop with that fourth question, and please keep them coming. I really love it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I hope you're staying inside, getting creative. This is a time to write the song you never wrote, or write the book you never wrote, or the story, or spend time with a loved one, or my beautiful dog, my chocolate lab Sammy, is laying right next to me here. He has loved me being home every day. So stay put and look at this time as a time to really get creative and maybe even rest, sleep in. Thank you.